The precepts of the church invite us to attend Mass on Sundays and days of obligation, and also to receive the Holy Eucharist at least once a year. It says at least once a year. We can see in Hannah or Anna her commitment to God through prayer. It is said that she was in the temple continually praying and praising God. Eucharist strengthens our communion with God. And the teaching of the church rightly tells us that it is the source and summit of Christian life. It is the beginning and the climax of our Christian life, because from this marvelous sacrament we draw a lot of strength for our day-to-day life. God gives us the nourishment for our spiritual growth, for our spiritual well-being. Secondly, the precept of the church reminds us about the days of reconciliation, the sacrament of reconciliation. And there also it says at least once a year. Again, I would like to say, when it says at least once a year, it does not mean that we should not frequent this sacrament more than once during the year. Sacrament of reconciliation is a wonderful means that God has given us. Of course, we don't see much connection with this sacrament with Anna, whom we keep as a model, but her life of grace, her life of sanctification that she lived all through is a reminder that this sacrament also strengthens us to sanctify ourselves, to fill ourselves with grace, and thus bolster our communion with God and with one another.